Hello everyone and welcome back to Etellan. So for today's video I'll be taking a break from the colourful world of Pokemon and be making my official Halloween doll, which will be Azumi Kuretani from Junji Ito's horror classic Uzumaki. For this doll I'll be using a Monster High Draculaura doll, which unfortunately was just way too damaged for a normal repaint. This consisted of texture damage and stains to the vinyl that were both from paint and ash. So to breathe life into this old doll, I decided to give her a face up where the stained layer would be just completely covered by a new paint base. Before I give this doll the new paint layer, I'll be removing the fault lines that were exposed around the doll's body. I'll also draft the hole that will be removed from her face. For this doll, I wanted to actually create the hole in Azumi's face as opposed to just painting it, so grabbed some Fimo clay and started creating the ominous spiral. Once that's done, I'll be giving her a new coat of paint. paint I'll be using is Citadel Wraith Bone Contrast Spray Paint. And with the new paint layer you can really see the texture damage in this doll's face. To start the face up, I'll be using a brown pencil as a base, but after that I'll be using primarily just black and white, as there is no colour whatsoever in Uzumaki. It was seriously such a dream to be able to make this doll, as I'm such a fiend for horror manga. I live in Australia, so basically Halloween isn't really a thing over here either, so I was so excited to be able to get into the spooky spirit with this doll. With Citadel black paint, I'll be painting the spiral and later doing a dry brushing to emulate Ito's drawing style. For the dry brushing, I'll be using Vallejo white and a coarse brush. For hair, I'll be using synthetic wefted hair as always, as it will give Azumi's hair just an amazing shine. For the finishing touches, I'll be adding Vallejo gloss varnish to her eyes and lips, as it will just give really nice dimension. Off camera, I sewed a basic white dress and will be mangifying it. Once this is done, all that's left is for her to be assembled. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this doll in the comments below, and also what are you going to be for Halloween this year. Don't forget to also like and subscribe. If you'd like to see more of this doll and any others that I make sure to check out my Instagram at etellan.